Participating in our Helping Hands fundraiser is easier than ever. Go to funrun.com and select the blue Parent Guardian button. You can use your Google credentials or an email to create your account. Enter your parent information. You'll add your student later. Click Create Account once you've entered all your information. Enter our school name, Seffner Christian Academy. Then enter your student's name and their homeroom teacher on the next screen. Agree to the terms and conditions and you're all set. You can add additional students or click No and be taken to your dashboard. Your student dashboard is where you will find student links and ways to share. You can create a video to send with your student, upload an image, and track donations in this portal. The Easy Emailer button will allow you to connect your email account. The email template will load a default email. And the Facebook button will have you log into your Facebook account to share the link. You can also copy and paste the link at the bottom manually. Every share makes a difference, and we thank you for your support.